listened to a young girl who was saying that the community here is totally very angry. Thank you very much for your picture from our government.
This was the Ijo country of the Niger Delta of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He went to several schools to make your academic education as a government college to Delhi. And
go gather, destroy their food. Make security camp and that other camp, Togo camp, no compensate everybody.
Generation sometimes. Today our focus will be in the style of J.P. Clark, a poet and writer, and we shall also be very interested in his point as more dancer.
Some lives are meaningful, some are empty. With too much meaning and riches to offer humankind. Long after stories, earthly adventures and no more, one can still find footprints of these great lives on the pavements of our contemporary life.
Good evening, you're welcome to the program Green Planet. So we are in the pig farm of the African Center for Community and Development. Strategizing on pig feed is very important. That is why it is advisable that social capital mobilization should be an invaluable aspect in the design of pig farming. Pig farmers must design innovative ways of feeding pigs in order to reduce their costs. One such way we've identified at the African Center for Community and Development is to feed pigs with perishable fruits or fruits that cannot be sold in the markets, like pawpaw. This entails that we create synergies between pawpaw sellers or to create links between pawpaw sellers and ourselves in order that we can benefit from the fruits that they normally throw away because of the fact that they have very poor post-harvest technologies. So in this case, we have been able to identify some fresh food dealers that we acquire fruits from in order that we can supplement the diet of pigs at the African Center for Community and Development. For pig farming to be successful, it has to be based on cost-saving advantages to the pig farmer. And it is our opinion that much more knowledge systems on this should be vulgarized in developing countries in order to empower communities into pig farming. So you can see the pigs are very happy to feed on the pawpaw. As you know, it is sweet and juicy, and that which is about to get rotten is even more juicy, and maybe probably have some fruit flies on it that can probably increase the calcium content of their feed in the long run as well. Valentine, you go and collect fruits from women who deal in fresh fruits, and they are very happy to help in our industry here at the African Center for Community and Development. Why do you think that pig farmers should acquire fruits that are about to get bad from these women?
Well, thank you. You know, as pig farming is concerned, we have to strategize the means of feeding in order to see how we can reduce the cost of feeding, since the feed that we buy that has been made by maize and such are expensive. We need to look alternative means in order to feed our pigs. So we contact the food sellers that are selling alongside the road, so that they can help us with the waste fruit that are rotting, food that they don't use again, not only pawpaw but fruit like banana, pineapple, watermelon, pear. The only fruit that the pig does not eat is orange and things like grapes. So at times they are also very happy to help us to see how we can increase on our pig farming.
That is very important, as in a way, taking their wasted fruits or their fruit that are about to get rotten is a way of waste management, or else many of these women simply dump their rotten fruits along the road, hence increasing the cost of the local council in terms of cleaning. So in a way, we are trying to reduce dirtiness in the cities and to explore better means of empowering communities through pig farming and the management of waste from perishable foods. So you see, the pigs are feeding on pawpaw that we gathered from women dealers along our sidewalks. It has been our strategy to work with local stakeholders, and in this case with women who are dealing with perishable fruits and goods, in order to supplement our pig feed, which is very expensive, and to encourage local users into acquiring knowledge systems that are beneficial to them and that can also help them to reduce their costs. Thank you very much for watching People, Places and Events at the African Center for Community and Development. That's been Arrey Ivo.
Thank you very much.
And you just listen to a young girl who was saying that the Nigerian community here is totally very angry.
Thank you very much for
Our representative was the Ijo country of the Niger Delta of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He went to several schools to make your academic tendencies was at government college to Delhi and
Go gather, destroy their food. Make security camp and that other camp, Tongo camp. You don't compensate everybody.
sometimes. Today our focus will be on the style of J.C. Clark, a poet and writer, and we shall also be very interested in his point Akmo dancer.
Some lives are meaningful, some are empty. Lives that are meaningful, with too much meaning and riches to offer humankind. Long after stories, earthly adventures and more, one can still find footprints of these great lives on the pavements of our contemporary lives.
Good evening, you're welcome to the program Green Planet.